Important suggestions on PP hollow sheet extrusion line price and purchase. 1. Clarify your needs. First, be very clear about your product specifications: width, thickness, number of layers, color, raw materials, target production capacity, budget, automation requirements, and factory facility space, power. 2. Consult multiple sources. Be sure to request a detailed configuration list and itemized quotes. 3. Inspect the factory and prototype. 4. Focus on core components. Understand the brand and model of key components such as the extruder, mold, and control system. 5. Evaluate after-sales service. 6. Consider the total cost of ownership.